FreeCAD versus Creo. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right CAD software can completely change how you design and prototype without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore FreeCAD and Creo, two powerful options with distinct features and use cases. FreeCAD and Creo are both popular CAD software, but they serve different needs. FreeCAD is an open-source, flexible tool, ideal for hobbyists and small teams, while Creo is a comprehensive, professional-grade solution designed for large-scale industrial design and engineering. FreeCAD is a free, open-source, parametric 3D CAD modeler that allows users to create complex designs with a modular architecture. It works by letting you build models through feature-based parametric modeling, meaning you can easily modify designs by changing parameters. Its strengths lie in its accessibility, customizability, and active community support. FreeCAD supports a wide range of file formats and integrates well with other open source tools. However, it has limitations in advanced simulation, rendering, and lacks the polish and extensive support found in commercial software. The interface can feel less intuitive for beginners accustomed to commercial CAD programs. FreeCAD is ideal for hobbyists, educators, startups, and small businesses that need a cost-effective solution with flexibility and community-driven development. It's also great for those who want to experiment with CAD without upfront investment or license restrictions, especially when customization and scripting are important. Creo is a professional CAD software developed by PTC, widely used in industries such as automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. It offers a complete suite of design, simulation, and manufacturing tools within a single platform. Creo works through parametric and direct modeling, providing robust capabilities for 3D CAD, simulation, additive manufacturing, and product lifecycle management. Its strengths include high precision, advanced simulation tools, extensive material libraries, and seamless integration with enterprise systems. Creo supports complex assemblies and detailed engineering workflows, enabling teams to collaborate efficiently on large projects. The main limitations are its high cost and steep learning curve, which may be challenging for individual users or small teams. Creo is best suited for large enterprises, engineering firms, and professionals who require advanced features, industry certifications, and dedicated support. It excels in environments where precision, scalability, and integrated manufacturing workflows are critical. Comparing FreeCAD and Creo highlights a trade-off between accessibility and advanced capabilities. FreeCAD offers a no-cost, open-source platform perfect for individuals and small teams who prioritize flexibility and customization. It's excellent for educational purposes and early-stage product development, but lacks comprehensive simulation and manufacturing integration. Creo, on the other hand, delivers a powerful, industry-standard environment with extensive tools for design, simulation, and production, ideal for complex projects and large teams. The investment in Creo pays off for companies needing reliability, support, and integration with enterprise systems. For example, a startup prototyping a new product might choose FreeCAD to reduce costs and maintain agility, while an aerospace manufacturer would rely on Creo for precision engineering and regulatory compliance. Ultimately, the choice depends on scale, budget, and project complexity. FreeCAD is recommended for users seeking a cost-effective, flexible CAD solution with community support, ideal for hobbyists, educators, and small businesses starting out. Creo is the best choice for professionals and large organizations needing advanced design, simulation, and manufacturing capabilities with dedicated support. Selecting the right CAD software depends on your specific needs, but both FreeCAD and Creo offer strong value in their respective domains.